don't understand how can people say knowledge is power, but you don't want to learn nothing. You don't gotta learn it from me. Learn it from somebody. Get a mentor, get a teacher, get somebody to teach you. Stop living under a rock. Because you will be exchanging time for money. You'll be exchanging your time for, we don't get that back. We don't get that back. You'll be exchanging that for the rest of your life. Thinking and playing, I don't know. What's going on, people? Like, comment, and subscribe. Bam Lit Ghetto Investor, Ghetto Man. Let me explain something to y'all, right? When your car break down, you don't fix it yourself, right? Right? When you go on house shopping, when you go in the shop for a house, right? House shopping. You go to a professional for that, don't you? You go to a real estate agent. Why? Because you might buy too much house. Right? Hear me out. Now, only 3 things in this world gonna get you wealthy. Business, stock market, real estate. You gotta do one or the other. You gotta do one or the other. My thing is, you have to go to somebody for them to teach you that. Or you gonna bump your head and go through a lot of bumps and bruises. Like I did. I lost $7,000 to learn how to trade, okay? I let the market teach me. Instead of me going to a teacher, somebody with a formula, somebody with a strategy. I did that after the fact of losing. You hear what I'm saying? I want y'all to hear me. Now you could go into it off of he say, she saying, looking around, and you're gonna lose your ass. Straight up. Straight up. And I ain't trying to scare you away from it, because you gotta take the step. Ain't about scaring you out of nothing. You born to die. You born to die. You build some wealth. You do something while you're here. For the next generation. If you don't care about that, you selfish. You don't gotta come to my school. Go to anybody's school. You got to learn it. That's what I'm telling you. I didn't have my own school. I went to somebody and learned. Or you gonna lose your ass. Straight up. Learn your fundamentals from what? From school. From your parents. You learned it. Everything is a learning experience. It's just you people out there don't want to learn. That's where the problem coming in at. Oh, I want it now without learning? How that happens? Explain it to me. Where you going? I was almost at the turn of the Ash Ketchum. Ash Ketchum. Gotta catch them all. You can't win everybody. It starts small. I grab a few of you and make sense. Stop putting theory and scary stuff in your head to make you scared to learn. Learn something. I don't understand how can people say knowledge is power, but you don't want to learn nothing. You want to create theory in your brain and act like you smart. Learn something beneficial. You don't gotta learn it from me. Learn it from somebody. Get a mentor, get a teacher, get somebody to teach you. Stop living under a rock. Because you will be exchanging time for money. You'll be exchanging your time for, we don't get that back. We don't get that back. You'll be exchanging that for the rest of your life. Thinking and playing, I don't know. What I like about myself is that I break it down so simple. Simple. I keep things simple. I don't make my life hard. Fear, stop being scared. You were born as a baby to die when you get older. So how are you scared to invest? How are you scared to take yourself to the next level? I don't understand that. If you don't have it, then you don't have it. But everybody has it. We in the United States of America is what you want to spend your money on. Don't go spend $10 on goodies, $10 on drinks, $10 on something to eat, $10 on all that add up. That add up. Then we say we don't have no money. No, we have money. We just don't know where to put it. We like to buy 1,000 $10 things, and it be everywhere in your house, and it's messy. 1,000 $10 things, no big, nothing to show for. Been working for years. Pot to pissin', window to throw it up. How you looking right now? You looking sad, Sally. You're looking sad now, girl. Like, for instance, I don't buy my daughter gifts, maybe on her birthday. Christmas or other holidays, I leave that to be. I get her a stock. She owns things. She owns shares in public traded companies. Yes. Okay? She gonna thank me later. It's not about the toys. It's not about all the stuff they put in your face. In your face. And you feel like you need to buy your kid. Oh no, yeah, no, you was good when you was young. So what's up now, Ma? Why we broke? What happened? What happened? You spend my money on toys? That's why I got the stocks. Because now you can buy what you want to buy when you get older. Buy a business, purchase a business. When she watch me do the things I like to do, now she gonna mimic that. Oh, my dad used to buy a bunch of businesses. He used to invest in a bunch of companies. And he ain't watch TV. I wonder why I do it, huh? It rub off. It rub off. Don't wonder why your kid a loser. Look at yourself. Don't get mad at them. Get mad at yourself for showing them nothing for years. Everything you showed your kid was how to be a little spoiled, rotten consumer. Let us say, oh, I work hard, I deserve it. You don't deserve nothing. You know how many people work harder than you? And you exchange your time for money. It's even worse. Like, you can't do multiple things in your eyes. You only could work for one company. If you work for two, you're running around. Set up something. Set up some passive income or something in your house. Set up something. Do what I'm doing. Use this camera. You on it already anyway. Showing your body and showing muscles and all type of stuff. We gotta stop this, man. What are you showing your clothes? Oh, I'm the freshest. I'm the freshest of the freshest. All right, God damn it. Do some lifestyle on marketing. Get busy. Draw some brands and make them pay you or something, man. Because you look slow. You getting everybody else rich. I invest in companies that you will get me rich. This is the iPhone 6 I'm using, and I'm going to keep saying this. A lot of y'all out there went out there and used your IDs. Oh, can I get, yeah, oh yeah, I need the newest one. Yeah, it costs $1,200 and I ain't doing nothing with my life, but I need it. You need it? You sound bummed out. Then wonder why you don't have nothing. Don't wonder. Don't just bump your head somewhere because it's annoying. Matter of fact, you need to bump your head harder somewhere so you can understand what you're doing. Go in the bathroom and attack yourself because it's you that's messing you up. Winning is on purpose, man. Win is win on purpose. We got something in our body that's different. So it seems. But anybody could change. You just like where you at. So you're not going to change. You like watching other people's lives and watching them have a good time. This is what you like. There's a reason. Because I don't understand it. I look at things as entertainment. I look at things as entertainment. I might as well sit back here and watch my own videos. You like that? You like that? Some of y'all don't even know yourself. You want to know everybody else and be in everybody else's face. Go in that bathroom, man, and get to it. Attack yourself. Fault find yourself so you can understand what's wrong and why you're not investing. Why you're not winning. Go explain that to yourself so you could change yourself. Ghetto.